What you getting into?
Daddy.
Oh, Daddy said it was okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Who made those yummy brownies you found? Did Mommy make them?
Yeah.
I did? Mommy made them?
Yeah.
Now, did I make them just for Lincoln?
Yeah.
Pretty sure about that?
Yeah.
So you had to go and get your new step stool
Yeah.
and find the brownies that Mommy made just for you.
Aww.
Oh, yeah, 'cause Mama loves you. There they are. Did you have any brownies yet? Did you?
No.
Oh, no, you didn't eat one brownie yet?
No.
Oh, no. Oh,
No.
oh man.
Oh, no.
What are you going to do?
No.
You need two?
Yeah. Two.
Two brownies?
Yeah.
And that'll make you feel better because you haven't even eaten one yet?
No.
Oh, man. Oh.
No.
What about all that chocolate all over your face?
No.
Yeah, there's chocolate all over your face.
No.
Who put it there?
Nine.
Daddy put it there?
Yeah.
Oh, well, let's go have a talk with Daddy.
Yeah.